first car and now I'm 21.
But I love the big wing. Don't you daily this?
Daily, yeah.
Daily driver, guys. Have you actually tried to drift this car yet?
Yeah.
What is the phone number up here? What is that about?
So it's for the
Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we are at day 3 of Mustang Week, guys. Day 3. Rain again, just like the retro meet we had last night, but it's holding off for the moment. Got a FoxBody meet up here at Mustang Week, which is way cool to have a Fox meet. Normally, you know, you don't have just Foxes out here. You have lots of Mustangs. We've got an amazing car here, Midway Mustangs, Eric's car. If you want to see the full review video on this, don't check my channel. You got to check out Blue Oval Media. He did a full review on it. Check that channel out. But today we are actually talking about this convertible right here. Now this is 50 Foxy Fred on Instagram, but this is actually Josie's car. And it's a very unique FoxBody. But what is cool about it, we're going to get into. But right now, let me go ahead and do my normal thing. A little cinematic, go around the car, show you all the angles, including that rear spoiler. That thing is legit. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, there you go, guys. That is a good look at the car. Very, very unique FoxBody. You don't see any of these like these. And here's the owner. Josie, welcome to the channel.
Hey.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you.
We actually, guys, we met at Pitts and Josie took some pictures of my favorite car, Tar Heel Fox. In case they didn't know, they probably know.
I was going to say, everybody knows.
Yeah, because you do photography and that kind of stuff, right?
Yeah, I also am now head media of Defiance.
Okay.
So that's cool.
Yeah, what's Defiance about?
It's basically a team. We have like racing divisions. We also go to meets, and we have people down in Charleston, Columbia, even out in California.
Is it all cars or just Mustangs?
Yeah,
or?
it's mainly a lot of show stance cars or whatever, but we just got some new people in as prospects and stuff. Some of them do drifting, some of them do drag.
Oh, awesome.
So it's pretty cool. It's a nice mixture of people. So.
And I know about the branded Mustang Club too. You're still a part of that and all that?
Yeah, they're down here. We got a few of us out. Their FoxBody's back home getting worked on, so it'll be here probably next year. So.
Awesome, awesome. Well, this is a very, very unique car, even down to the hearts on the headlights. But he does have, and I say that, guys, because I accidentally called him a she, but my Tar Heel Fox is she, but he is Fred, right?
Yep, Fred the Ford.
Fred the Ford.
I was 15 when I came up with that name, so it wasn't very creative.
Okay, well then you had this car quite a while, right?
Yeah, since I was 15, it was my first car, and now I'm 21, so.
Wow.
Yeah.
And this is your very first one?
Yep.
Now, what year is it actually?
91.
91, and we love it because it's a convertible, which we all know convertibles are the best FoxBody Mustangs.
Obvious.
Right? Obviously. 91. I believe it is a 5-speed. Is that correct, or is it auto?
Sadly, it's automatic.
It's auto, that's right.
My family didn't want to teach me stick.
Hey, that doesn't matter. There's a lot less AODs out there today than manuals, so.
I was gonna say, there's tons of stick ones out there. I don't run into many automatics.
No, it's very unique, and my favorite thing about it, obviously, it's very cool, unique car, but I love the big wing. So what's the story behind that?
I actually bought it for like $600, and I was like, you know what, we're just gonna throw this on because drift, JDM aesthetics. I was like, you know, it just goes with the whole theme. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but you know, it's my favorite thing about this car besides my banner. So
it's very, very polarizing, I'm sure, but you know what, so is my blue color of my car, so that's what I like.
Stand out.
Yeah, there's awesome other, you know, regular FoxBodies, and those are cool too, but I like something unique.
Yeah.
So you got the Cobra R wheels. Now, as far as the drivetrain, is it all pretty much stock, or?
Yeah, all of it's stock. It has been rebuilt because transmission, it's
okay.
So it had to be rebuilt. The engine was rebuilt. Everything in the engine bay has been replaced.
Yeah. Let's pop the engine. Why not? Let's go ahead. Sure. I show my engine bay all the time. She drives this. Don't you daily this?
Daily, yeah.
Daily driver, guys. Daily driver. Gotta love that. Let's see. Maybe no. I won't pop the hood. I'll let the ladies pop their own hood. This is her car. She can do it.
Not too much special going on.
That's okay.
Air intake. We painted the engine.
Yeah. You painted the intake there, right?
Yep.
It looks good. Oh, you got the yellow on this side. Let me show that. Nice. Nice.
5.0 gets covered by the hose, but.
Yeah, it's okay. Does your AC work?
No.
No, okay.
I don't know any FoxBody where AC works for longer than 2 months.
Well, let's see. Yeah, I'm close to about 3 months. 500.
I just started working 2 weeks ago because I put $500.
You
in
love
it.
this car, don't you, Willie? Because this
I
is
do
yellow.
like this car.
That's yellow FoxBody, guys, in case you didn't know.
Yeah.
But awesome. So yeah, she daily drives this car, and you like little cold air intake. What about exhaust?
Off-road X-Pipe, and then it's got the Super 40s.
Okay. So yeah, she
Not
sounds
too
good.
quiet, but not too loud.
No, I love that. I love that. It's obviously been lowered as well.
Yeah, we static, riding on washers.
Okay.
Listen,
Do you actually have you actually tried to drift this car yet?
Yeah. I've
Oh,
gone to
okay.
a few events, not anything too big or whatever, too serious or whatever. Just kind of playing around, getting a feel for it and whatnot. So, but yeah, I've taken
That's
it
cool.
to a few events.
I love the underglow as well. Can you change the lights or you just leave it on yellow or?
Yeah, I normally leave it on yellow.
I mean, that fits.
The car.
Yeah.
I feel like if I have rainbow there and rainbow in the front, a little too much rainbow.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. I didn't even realize the steering wheel came off.
yeah, I
Okay.
just did the quick release.
Yeah. Let's look at the interior. I know I'm making them do all this stuff, guys. But you know what? We want to see them. We love this on the channel. By the way, guys, here is the Instagram if you want to follow her on that. But here we go. We got a race interior, basically. Steering wheels removable. I love all that.
Right?
Yeah, that is so cool.
Favorite.
Back seat actually good shape. Was it originally black interior or?
Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
It's-
Black
it's a
interior
little
car.
bit up, but
That's because you
it's
drive it.
really-
I mean, you've had this car 6 years, you
Yeah.
know? So what are your plans for it in the future?
Rear seat's gotta go.
Okay.
I don't have any use for them. Can't fit that many things back in
Yeah.
anyways. I'm definitely different exhaust. I want to be a little bit louder.
Want to be louder? Okay.
We're gonna black out the wheels because I am not a personal fan of chrome on my car.
I'm not either. I'm not either. They probably came with the car, right?
Actually, no.
No?
I did
Okay.
have these, and then I powder coated them black.
Okay.
So probably gonna do the same thing there. Powder coat them black. Get some different center caps.
These were the Cobra R's, I believe. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah, I had
Yep.
the same thing on mine, but they were gray, and yeah, that was the #1 go-to oil back in the day. So there's a lot of them out there, you know. And you usually drive it top down, I'm sure, quite a bit.
I try not to put it too down.
Okay.
Because you know the motors, they go out. I do not want to fight that. So.
Are you coming to Foxtoberfest this year?
Oh,
by
of
chance?
course.
Okay. So guys, I'm gonna tell her this and you at the same time. Foxtoberfest has the awards they give out. Most in need of a top, most in need of an interior. And they give them out, and if you win that, you win a new top from Fox Resto.
Oh, that's what
So
I need.
Josie, you should absolutely enter for that because you actually need one.
I know.
So I'm gonna
I've
recommend
looked,
that.
I'm like, I've looked at a few places, and one person quoted me like $1,200, and I was like, oh my god, y'all are killing me. So.
Yeah, I replaced mine in 2006, so I can't tell you what it costs today. I don't know.
Oh my god, the tops aren't too bad. I think they're like $200 to $300 themselves. So it's just finding a person to put it in.
Yeah, well, I
So-
paid somebody to put mine in way back then, but definitely come out, you know, and enter for that. And you guys watching as well, although Josie probably doesn't want you to beat her for best top, but.
But I say, don't show out too much.
Well, cool. Well, let's talk about my favorite part of the car. I'm sure your favorite part of the car.
For sure.
What is the phone number up here? What is that about?
So it's for the National Suicide Hotline. I've had my own battles and I've lost, you know, a friend to it and stuff like that. So that's kind of why the whole hearts, broken hearts, the whole hearts, it just goes into the whole theme, you know, it's okay not to be okay.
Yeah.
You know, just be reminded of that. And
Yeah, these broken hearts. Is that what was up on the front too? Was it
Yeah.
broken hearts? Okay.
yep.
Yeah, and so what she's saying, guys, is mental health is a real issue in the world we live in today, and it's important to be able to talk to somebody, right?
Yeah.
When you're
always
feeling
reach
like
out.
that.
There is always someone, even when you think that you don't have anybody, there is always someone willing to listen. Like I said, I tell my friends all the time, I would rather listen to you for like an hour than sit through your funeral.
Yeah.
So.
Absolutely. So it's really important. Guys, I even had a YouTuber, I was telling Josie this earlier, I had another YouTuber that last year he lost his battle with mental health, a friend of mine. He wasn't a Mustang guy, wasn't a FoxBody guy, and I'm not going to talk about who he was. That's not important. What's important is he didn't have somebody to talk to. So that is why she has this number on the car, and I think that's the coolest thing about Fred. Ford Fred. Well, very cool. I definitely wanted to share that story, and obviously this car attracts a lot of attention. See, we got a camera guy right here. So it is awesome, and thank you so much for sharing the story on the channel.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, and we're looking forward to seeing you at Foxtoberfest.
Yeah, I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I mean, this gives you like a little preview because it's all Fox bodies, but you know how many of you show up there, so.
Oh, dude, it's gonna be filled.
Have you been there before, actually?
I have not.
This will be your first one? Okay,
Yeah, this
cool.
was my first official Mustang week. It'll be my first official, you know, Foxtoberfest. So.
Awesome. Well, I'll tell you, and then one more thing too, is that we also give away a VIP spot on the channel. And at Foxtoberfest, VIP spots are not for the nicest cars or anything like that. It's for any car. So we're gonna give one away. I think they're gonna be sold out by the time this video goes up, but yeah, we'll give one away, and you can enter that. You know,
I
you
will
might win.
definitely enter that,
You guys
for
can as
sure.
well. But anyway, thanks so much for sharing the story.
Yeah,
Really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely, we love the car. All right, guys, before we close this one out, though, I want to provide you a little update because you might recognize these two cars right here because they've been on the channel before. We've got Victoria's car, AAA. Actually, Victoria's here. Victoria is here again. You've seen her on the channel before. And Matt just finished up your car to get it to Mustang Week.
He did.
Yeah, and what do you think of it so far?
Oh, it's awesome. It's absolutely awesome. We drove it all the way here. And
Awesome, it made it. And it also rained today. You had a little bit of rain and it did fine, right?
And it did fine, no leaks. The car ran great. My new shocks are awesome.
Yes, loving the Coney oranges. That is so cool. Well, we want to get, she's driving it and we're going to probably, it might be in the shop again someday, but we'll probably go more in depth to everything that's done. But I wanted to give you guys an update, let you know how she's feeling about it. You love it, it sounds like, yeah.
Love it. And just for the record,
Yeah.
I did everything that Matt suggested. So
Did you?
everything he put on the list,
I like the minimums, yeah. And you're happy with it.
I'm absolutely thrilled.
Awesome. And then this is Donnie's car, of course, right here. And it's also, we've had it a little bit on the channel. It's not a true triple white, but it has been repainted like that. And what's so cool is they match. I love how they match. And he's got the top down and he's got the Gearhead 704 right here. But anyway, yeah, so we were rocking the stickers and love the white cars here. And we're having a good time. We'll have a full update coming soon, I'm sure. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. And shout out to this guy right here, guys, because he has that awesome green vert right there. And we love the verts with an awesome sound system. And what happened?
They called the police on me.
Oh, did they? No, I did not. No, don't say that.
Not you.
Oh.
They called.
Did
the
they
police.
really?
Yeah.
We asked if he wouldn't mind turning it down for the video, and he said yes. What do I have for you, sir?
You got me a t-shirt.
I do. So thank you so much for doing that. I talk too fast and stuff.
You want some Patron? You want a drink?
No, I better not do that. I got to drive home.